We're going to try this again. Okay. Turns on. Camera is there. The camera is on now. It's still searching. There it is. I don't know the password. How do I know the password? So I don't know the password. Is here a settings button? No. So where is on this thing settings? How do I know? Mode, to change modes. So now I have to figure this out myself. Photo, oh, video, time lapse, where's settings? So, yeah. Video. But how do I know now as user the password? Do I have to go back to the app? Select your... That didn't work. Okay. So, what is the password? Go to settings. Enter the password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, maybe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't work. So now I have to go to the internet to figure out the password of it. Let's try this again. Settings. My gig user. It wants to know a password. So I had to look this up online. You have to swipe down the utility drawer in preferences, info general, and somewhere there is the password. Doesn't show here. Preferences, connections, camera info. Here, password share 9756. Share 9 756 is my password. Join. So it joins now. And then I can use here my GoPro. But yeah, now it is connected. Look at this. Here. Mode settings, resolution. Voice control is off. Default mode. Set date and time. Delete all files from the card format. And then version here is 100. Battery level is 89%. SD card capacity is 1 hour. And how do you do an update now? Here's camera, photo and live. Let's take a photo. That's my setting. What the F? So, now what? Where is camera update available? Null. So what I'm going to do now is I update. We'll see what happens. There's a legal disclaimer. There's nothing in it except to continue. Transferring files to the camera. It's transferring. Oh. I don't want to stop screen recording. I do my screen recording while I do this, so that I have this later on. That I have this recorded. %16 of nothing takes very long, I have to say. This is just crazy. I think I'm going to fast forward this or what? It's already 20 minutes, this whole thing. Your GoPro will power off and on for a few times. When the update is complete, your camera screen will return to normal. My phone battery is going low. Don't you just hope that the phone battery lasts? I mean, imagine the phone battery dies now in the middle of this. Can you even imagine what that means? Here, I'm going to touch the screen for a second. I don't want to have this to turn off or anything. I'm afraid. 60% and my phone battery is dropping. Crikey. And then those seconds here, the percentage is going crazy. Oh no. Look how it's like 1%, how slow the percentage goes. Is this transferring the files to the camera 100%, or is the whole update done when it says 100%? Or does it do more? Yeah, I guess we will find out. If my phone battery goes dead, then the whole camera may be history. Jeez. Now it seems to be faster again. So there's slow things and fast things in this update. And then the last 1% takes super long, or is it super fast? Oh, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Installing update. Don't go anywhere. Do not exit the app or turn off your camera during this process. So now how long is this going to take? So now we are still like, I hope my battery does make it. I could try to connect the phone to a charger while I do this. Is that risky? Oh. I think YouTube will be excited to have like this super long video. At least you guys, when you watch this, you can fast forward. Should I do this in 1080p or in 4K? What do you think? And then, did you see the blinking there? My wireless is moving around. I bet it switched back to my home network. That's probably what it did. And now it can't connect to the camera anymore. Though it always tells me that, update complete, it says on the camera. That's good, right? Oh, now it turns back on. But the app is not. It says don't leave the app. There. Install update complete. So it seems to have worked. So now we good? Do you click on anything here? GoPro 1 okay, join. All set. Done. Okay. And we go in here. We look at settings. And now we have camera info, a new update, 15100. What more do we want? Okay. So, that was a successful update, even though it said null, and it also did not display the legal thing. Alright, in less than 10 minutes on the second video. Okay then.